everyone, my name's Victoria and I just wanted to give you guys this quick video just so you got to know a bit more about me. So I have been teaching art to children up to 16 years old for about 4 years now. I set up my studio called Victoria's Art Studio where I became a self-employed artist, and that was when I also began to do lessons for children. So because of the coronavirus, my lessons that I've done in person for such a long time now has had to be suspended for a while until the lockdown is lifted, which means that I'm now doing videos online. So this is the first time I've done videos online. So I'm sorry if it's a little bit buggy, but I'm learning as I go along and I'm enjoying it so far, and I just want to say thank you guys for all of your support so far. So if you're new to this channel and you don't know who I am, these lessons that I am posting is suitable for children up to 16 years old. And I've also heard of mums and dads who have also had a go at these lessons too because they've enjoyed it. I always try and make these lessons different. I try and focus on artists that you probably haven't heard of before, some that are quite wacky. I try and make all the children experiment with different techniques, and I try and make the lessons as fun as possible. I also have a Facebook group page. So this Facebook group page is called Art Workshops for Home Educated Children. Now during this lockdown anyone can join that if you fancy it. So on there I'll be posting art resources that will complement the videos that I post on YouTube. So have a go and have a look at that if you want. I don't mind, and it will be lovely if you guys could take pictures and send them in to me of the work that you've done from the videos that I've done. At the end of this video I'm also going to share with you guys some of the work that the children have done in previous classes. I hope you guys enjoy, and if there's anything on there that you particularly like, then maybe I'll do an online video about it. Thank you, bye!